Alright, y'all, this is the fit to go check the cows. Brandon's been getting off super late this week, so I figured I could just do this so he has one less thing to worry about when he gets home. One day a long time ago, I was trying to be sweet, so I went and checked the cows for him and filled the water troughs, and apparently ever since that day, it's been my responsibility. So girls, if y'all get with a farmer, you just gotta be dumb, because if you act like you know something, then it's just gonna be your job from there on out. No, I'm just kidding. Farm life is really where it's at. I don't think you're gonna open the front door and see a cow standing on your front porch with any other job. That's really like a girl's dream. And who wouldn't want to see these sweet babies every day?